Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to come on and share hashtag Artist Trading Card Fun, hosted by Jean over at, I think it's Lizzie Jean Artistic Chaos, and I'll have her link down below. I'll have her channel down below. So Jean is giving us or challenging us on different things that may have be considered as ATCs at one time, and all the different what do you call these? Not platforms, but items that we alter. And today is Rolodex cards. Okay, I do not have a Rolodex card. An official Rolodex card, and my thumb is all screwy. Anyway, so I pulled out this old Ellison die that I had in my stash. It's before Sizzix. It all the elementary schools would have these big what do you call it, cutting crank cutting platforms, and they would use not this particular die, but they had their own set of dies like alphabets and stuff like that. I know that my son's elementary school had a complete set, and I was like drooling. And they were the big alphabets and stuff. But anyway, I busted out this die. It's a card, telephone, and address die from Ellison Design. And I cut it out with file folder paper, as you can see here. I covered it with book pages. Here is a piece of pattern paper from my stash. I made a pocket in the back for this tag. I used some crinkly seam binding, and I think this tag is really cool. I found a bunch of them in my stash. I'm going through my stash and finding all kinds of things I do not use, and I'm using them. I added this doily that I got from Recollections back in the day. Oh my gosh, is there a date? 2015. And this was during Valentine's, so I know that was a long time ago. And I used the white one. It came with red and white doilies. I used some lace from my stash. This is an ephemera piece from Hobby Lobby, and I don't know which pack it's from, but it is a button heart, and I just love how that looked. And then this is a sentiment that I got from Tina over at Shabby Dabby Doodah, and she gave these free dictionary words. And this one I picked out. It says endearment, a word to express love and care for others. So I love that. I inked it up with my vintage photo. I even used my speckled stamp to speckle. This I could definitely use and journal on the back if I want to put this in a journal. So this is a Rolodex card. I think it's really cute. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.